Welcome back to the course. In this lesson, we'll be creating some collections, and these will give us a very straightforward way of organizing our products. So let's begin. Now, there are two ways of organizing products in your Shopify store. The first way is with collections, which we'll get to in just a little bit. But before we do that, I want to show you the second way, and that's by defining a product type. Okay. So let's say I'm gonna open up this product, and right here under organization, I see product type. So if you have any types defined, they will show up in a drop-down list. If you don't, you can define them yourself by simply typing. So let's say watches for women. Okay, and I can add watches for women as a product type. So now let's save this, and I'm going to go back to my products. And as you can see here, now the type says watches for women, but I can open this and I can say watches for men. So I'm going to save that. Okay. And now we have two types defined: watches for men, watches for women. So now if I open this diving watch and I need to set a product type, I can select from my available options. So that's one way of organizing your products. The second way, which is a lot more powerful, is with collections. So collections, you can find them right here under the main products category. Click that, and let's go ahead and create our own collection. Click that button. Let's give it a title. Let's say watches for men. I can give this a optional description, and I can specify the collection type. All right, so is it a manual collection? That means I'm going to add products to this collection one by one, or is it automated? So if it's automated, there are certain conditions that products need to meet in order to be automatically added to the collection. Let's say manual for now. Then I can specify a collection image. So let's add one here. Let's actually select a stock photo that I downloaded. Let's see if we can find a nice one from Envato Elements. I think I quite like this the second one. So we're going to use that. Simply drop it. The same thing applies with the image size. I told you about this in the previous lesson. Just make sure you resize it first and don't upload a 10 megabyte image. And actually, I'm going to open this in the preview and adjust its size a little bit because it's just too big right now. So let's make this like 1000 by 667, and that's going to reduce its size tremendously. So hit OK and go ahead and save it. So now I can grab this, upload it, and once that's done, go ahead and hit save, and your collection is now saved. So what you can do from here is you can start searching for products, and you can add them to this collection. Here's how you do that. You hit browse and you select the products that you want and then hit add. And alternatively, you can go to all products. You would find the product that you want to add to the collection. And right here under organization, you will see the existing collections, and you would just hit the one that you want to add it to. But this product, we're actually going to create another collection for it. So let's go back to collections and create a new one. I'm going to call this watches for women. And this time I'm going to set its collection type to automated. Okay. So what about the conditions? Well, products must match, let's say, any of these conditions. And let's say the product title contains women or woman. And I think this is actually just separate conditions. So let's do that. All right, so let's go ahead and save this. And Shopify automatically added in this collection all the products whose title contained women in this case. So we have this, and the rest of them. So that's pretty cool. So now we can see these collections in the online store. You just click this little link here. And there you go, watches for women. And it shows us all the products in that collection. All right, and that's how you can add and manage collections. Now, the hard part of this process is done. We've created the store, added products, and categorized them. However, we're still using the default theme, and that's not really what we want. There are so many free and premium themes we can choose from, and I'll show you how to get one of these and apply it to the store in the next lesson. So I'll see you there.